Craving a curry that's full of flavor? This Goan Green Beef Curry will take your weekend meals to the next level. If you have never tried green beef curry, you are in for a treat. This one's made with fresh masala, tender beef and some potatoes. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noila Creations. First, I washed 500 grams of beef and then chopped into pieces. Now we will add some salt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Goan vinegar. We will mix this well. Next goes in 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix it. We will keep aside and let it marinate for 15 minutes. To grind the masala, here I have some coriander leaves, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 8 cloves, half inch of ginger peeled, 7 cloves of garlic, half inch of cinnamon stick, 6 black peppercorns, 3 green chilies. Since these green chilies are spicy, I am adding only 3. If you want, you can add more green chilies. To the mixer jar, I am adding the ginger, cloves of garlic, black peppercorns, cloves, cinnamon stick, green chilies, cumin seeds, marble size of tamarind, coriander leaves, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, little salt, some water. Cover with the lid and grind into a fine paste. The masala is ground well. We will keep this aside for now. Now I am adding the marinated meat to a pressure cooker. Since there were some spices remaining in the bowl, I added some water to the bowl and I transferred it into the pressure cooker. I am adding little more water. I will cover the pressure cooker with the lid and will cook for 30 minutes on medium flame. The meat is cooked well. I chopped 1 big sized onion and 1 small tomato. I am placing a kadai on medium flame and will heat some oil in it. Now goes in the chopped onion. We will saute until the onion turns translucent. Next goes in few curry leaves. Here curry leaves are optional. If you don't want to add curry leaves, you can skip it. Now I am adding little salt. Next goes in the chopped tomato. One-fourth tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Now we add our freshly ground green masala to the beef. This is where the magic begins. Mix it well. Now we will add the cooked meat from the pressure cooker. Since there was some masala remaining in the mixer jar, I added water to it and now I am pouring it into the kadai. Give this a good mix. Now I am adding 2 cut potatoes. Mix this well. Add 1 diced capsicum, half tablespoon of tomato sauce. Mix it well. Capsicum is optional. If you don't want to add capsicum, you can skip it. Next goes in 1.5 teaspoon of sugar. Mix well. Add water as required and mix. Goan Green Beef Curry with potatoes is a meal that's perfect for family gatherings, Sunday meals, or when you're craving something truly Goan. The potatoes are cooked well. Turn off the flame. And there you go, a rich green beef curry with tender potatoes and the perfect balance of spices. This is a dish that's best enjoyed with steamed rice or freshly baked bread. What's your favorite Goan curry to make at home? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts. This Goan green beef curry with potatoes is comfort in a bowl. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Noella Creations for more heartwarming Goan recipes. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking, sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.